TestMu AI, the world's first full-stack agentic quality engineering platform. One platform where you can plan, author, execute, and analyze all your testing powered by AI agents across the entire lifecycle. Meet Test Manager, TestMu AI's AI-native platform for planning, organizing, executing, and reporting on all your testing, manual and automated, in one unified workspace. Generate complete structured test cases from natural language prompts, user stories, or requirement documents, and get end-to-end visibility from requirement to defect. Next comes authoring. KaneAI is the world's first testing agent that helps you plan, author, and run test cases using natural language. Hand it a PRD, a Jira ticket, even a screen recording, and it transforms that into organized test scenarios and cases, cutting test authoring from hours to minutes with no technical expertise required. Then there's Kane CLI, a deterministic browser agent that brings automation right into your terminal. Describe what you want. No selectors, no scripts, and it drives a real Chrome browser to confirm what your users actually see, returning a clear, repeatable pass or fail. Built for developers QA and AI coding agents like Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. Then comes agent testing, our multi-agentic platform that uses AI to validate AI, as teams ship AI agents of their own, non-deterministic, hard to test, impossible to script. The agent testing steps in, challenging your chatbots and voice bots to catch hallucinations and bias before your customers ever do. Once your tests are ready, HyperExecute runs them. An AI-native test orchestration platform that accelerates execution up to 70% faster than traditional grids. It spins up just-in-time infrastructure, intelligently distributes your tests, retries automatically, and runs them across thousands of real devices, simulators, and emulators with automation, visual, API, accessibility, and performance testing all in one place. Then, test intelligence makes sense of the results, automatically triaging failures, detecting flaky tests, and delivering AI-powered root cause analysis so your team fixes real bugs instead of digging through logs.